Okay, so the next thing we want to do is actually add our controls to the thing that these settings can that's going to change these settings. So just after this, I'm going to do forward, and we're just going to go controls. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add the controls to this variable here. So we're going to just do money symbol WP customize, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add underscore control. Okay, and then this part gets a little bit funky, so we have to create a new WP. We're instancing an object here, customize underscore customize underscore color underscore control, and then inside of that we need to put the not that guy, the customize WP customize. Okay, and then comma, and then enter, and then let's move this out of the way because we don't actually need to do anything with that. Okay, let's move this down here. Okay, customize. All right, so good, and then from there, after that, let me see, customize, and then we want to do space, and then my underscore primary underscore color. Okay, boom, and then array, and then we're going to add all of the different properties to it. Okay, so inside of here, we're going to give it a label. So the label, label will be boom, boom, you dirty dog, boom, boom. And then it'll, the label will just call it primary color. So this is actually what the user will see. And then the section, and that's where this is going to be placed. Keep doing that. Oops. The section is going to be placed, and I want to place it in the colors section because we're not making our own. And then the setting, that will be adjusted by it, and that's going to be the my underscore primary underscore color, and I think that is everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to save this first, and then because I'm just going to duplicate it to make the other ones. I just want to make sure this one's working first, and we're going to make sure it doesn't. Okay, so see, lines function blah blah blah. So it doesn't give you a lot of information, but basically it's like line 67. So we'll see if that helps us at all. Okay, so let's see, WP customize. Underscore. That was probably it. Let's try that again. I should have noticed because it wasn't like colored, like the color coding was weird. So now if we go to colors, you'll see, yay, primary color, and it's totally working. I mean, it's not going to do anything, but it's definitely working, okay? So that's great. Okay, I don't care about that. And good. So, yeah, that's all functioning. So now what I want to do is I'm just going to take this and duplicate it. Make sure you test yours first. Don't just go to the next one. So we're just going to grab this whole section, Control C, and again, we need to do it for each one of these. Control V, enter, Control V, enter, Control V. All right. Now, let's see. First one's fine. And then what we're going to do is this one's going to be called the secondary color. Secondary. And this is also got to be secondary. My underscore secondary. And secondary. Colors. The rest of it's all the same. Okay, then my accent. Accent. And then this will be, I think was it my text color? I think that's what I was calling it, right? My text color, yep. So text color, let's call this text color, and text color. Okay, and we'll just save that real quick. Make sure everything's hunky-dory. I probably missed something because I did that kind of quick. Click on customize. I clicked off of that. Just want to make sure everything is making sense here. Okay. And colors, and yep. So we have all these colors. You can see the defaults are already set up, which is pretty cool. So that is good. That's all we have to do as far as that is concerned. And you can add as many or as few of these you would like, but basically we're just adding the controls, and the controls, like I said, are going to basically change these settings for us. And we're going to use that in order to apply some CSS. And that's actually going to be done in a separate function altogether. We're going to add another function on top of this one.